Peace and quiet and open air. Wait for us somewhere. There's a place for us, a time and place for us. Hold my hand and we're halfway there. Hold my hand and I'll take you there. Somehow, someday, somewhere.
Supplies. I said send supplies.
Say again?
Don't settle for narrow signal. Widen your Wi-Fi with new Air Wi-Fi. Get our longest range Wi-Fi signal, powered by Wi-Fi 7. For all those hard-to-reach spaces. Air for all.
Are we paying all together, guys, or...?
Split, probably.
Before we go, I got us something.
Scratch cards. Oh, that's for you.
One for everyone.
Ooh, big books.
I only have 2 book presents. And I won one.
I won.
What?
Oh my god! Sorry. I won!
So I guess we're having desserts then?
Yeah, for everyone, and she's paying.
Make a great evening greater with a National Lottery scratch card.
On a distant world, darkness marched ever closer. In the hour of reckoning, you stood as one. And all the while, you are vacuuming. Audible. There's more to imagine when you listen.
And the award goes to this lad. You gotta love it when Irish talent steals the show.
I'm taking charge.
We may be a small island, but we've got the biggest stars of all. So dive into the shows that got them started.
Looks like you're going to the Oscars.
Dive into the performances that made them famous.
I like to be called Daniel.
Dive into world-class series showing homegrown legends.
It's just you and me and the stars.
Dive into RTE Player.
She was a beautiful baby. No, she's a lovely baby.
She never had a problem spending money on clothes, especially when it was my money.
And she could be bold. Bold. Wild. Wild's better.
She could be a wild thing. She gets that from her mum. She got her brains and her looks from her mum too. She got her brains and her looks from her mum too.
Done. Nearly done. Even more lovely on the inside.
Thanks, Dad. Were you long writing it?
No. Only your whole life.
Toyota, built for a better world.
I couldn't join the Defence Forces. Oh God, I couldn't get up in front of all these people. I couldn't play the way she can.
and flippy, crisp and dry.
SSE Electricity brings a different kind of energy. So you can bring your "we're going to enjoy this if it kills us" energy. Your fourth coffee is just kicked in energy. Or your "how hard can it be" energy. Up to your elbows in it energy. Right. As per my last email, energy, bring on the burn energy. Oh, could have gone pro energy. Whatever energy you bring, we bring a cleaner, greener energy. SSE Electricity, a different kind of energy.
Shine Sword TG Cahas.
Dám si tú.
Sheila May.
Ruthlie Shach, Sid Romeo.
What it is some more.
Romy Skeen Sheracha. Romeo Orpoch.
I'm like you, afraid of the future because of the past.
Surprise.
Jan Romeo.
Do you ever think my life's not supposed to be this way?
Shine Sword TG Cahas. Aim on, aim odds.
Super value is now better value.
There's actually over 500 price cuts, Jen.
Over 500, really?
Yeah, way too many for one ad.
Yeah, that'd be mad.
Bananas. And apples. And there's price cuts on sweet potatoes, strawberries, kiwis, nice. Cauliflower, asparagus, tea, instant coffee, pasta sauces, and super value popcorn and super value cornflakes.
That's crazy.
Nuts. Cashew nuts, ginger nuts.
Donuts?
Oh, yeah. Burger buns, pita bread, coleslaw and hummus and pizza, frozen chips, ice cream, super value still water, sparkling water, super value yogurt.
Is that 500?
Not even close. Grated cheese, block of cheese, Parmigiano.
What about butter?
Yeah, Serrano ham from Spain, Parma ham from Italy,
Wow.
Irish rashers, Irish steak mince, super value sausages, Irish chicken fillets.
Cotton buds?
Yeah.
Nappies?
Yeah.
Fire ladders?
Yeah, and bleach and hand wash and multi-purpose cleaner.
Thank you.
Super value. Still super, now better value.
Oh, and flour and...
You're confident. You're strong. You're beautiful. You're the greatest of all time.
Let me tell you something. In this life, you're either a winner or you're a loser. Y'all want to work in a steel mill like me for the rest of your days?
No, sir.
Yeah, because I sure as hell don't. Y'all willing to fight for it?
Yes, sir.
I need to hear you a little louder. Y'all willing to fight for it?
Yes, sir.
Ready whenever you are, Michael.
Do you know what I'm after?
You want to be the biggest star in the world?
We need to capitalize on Michael's success. Because the Jackson family is the brand. That's our Coca-Cola. And we need to start selling. So I'm planning an international tour. This is just the beginning.
I need to think.
I told you what to think.
I love my family, but I just want to do my own thing. Just have all these ideas in my head. Just gotta get them out.
Then do it, Michael. Not a little boy anymore.
Michael, I knew you were different the moment you were born. You have a very special life. I believe music can change the world. Spread love, joy, and peace. That is what I want the world to feel. Magic.
The worst of the brains all the way from California.
guys from?
Scotland, mate.
EJ, spin that shit. Yo, NASA said Pop was dead. No, correction. If Ed Pop was dead, where is resurrection?
Thank you so much.
We're not finished.
It's like the rapping Proclaimers. It's okay, pal. It's just one audition.
Well, it wasn't the music they were laughing at. It was us.
Back in the day when we was...
I know what people want to hear. The next Wu-Tang Clan, the next Eminem.
What we're gonna do is remix everything.
What? An American?
If we're gonna do this, that means no more Scottish. We gotta walk, talk, freaking be American. Run for sure!
We're from California.
God bless America!
I'm top dog wherever I roam.
I'm gonna look incredible.
You're gonna look like a tit.
Blood, sweat, and tears, how I built my throne. Play on, play on.
We'll show the industry up for what it is.
I thought you were great.
Yeah?
We would like to sign you. Get the bubbles.
They actually think you're American. Yeah! But how? Your accents are pure shite.
I know! We'll release a single and then we'll come out fully Scottish and expose those wankers.
Chillin' on Billy, smoking the Phillies, hotter than chilies. You know the dealie, leave you melon my words like Millie Vanilli.
Everyone loves you.
Okay, let's do this, baby. Let's blow this shit wide open.
You know none of this is real, right?
You're losing it, Gav. This is what we wanted.
This is not what we wanted.
Stop looking back, dude. You got this, man.
Witness the mystic, twisted when I spit shit. Gifted, I'm a lyrical Christmas for the kid kid. Bad master, part man, part bastard, part disaster. Jedi with a blaster.
I think I might have screwed him. See that?
Let's go! You sick of positions you're in? Sick of being given the rips in the chin? Sick of sticking in tricky predicaments? Time to rip the script and go! Time to rip the script and go! Let's go!
You ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm freaking ready. Let's go!
You found it then?
Of course I did. Good boy.